guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be making cookies. This is Grayson, my boyfriend, and say hi.
Hi.
Okay, so first we're making cookies. They're your favorite.
They are.
I'll have the recipe in the description box below. It's the easiest recipe ever, and it's your favorite, right?
It is my favorite.
I made him a whole bunch when he was in the hospital. So, wait, did I even know that? Well, he was in the hospital because he broke his spine.
You didn't talk about me on your YouTube.
I thought it was personal. Yeah, he broke his spine.
I did.
He's all better now.
Yeah.
He was not supposed to be all better. We give God all the glory. Now we're adding in the chocolate chips. I keep these in my closet so that no one will eat them. Okay, 2 cups.
Yes.
Where's my cup? Did I put it in the sink?
Yeah.
Oh, is it dirty looking?
It's wet.
Yeah, it's wet. I'm not doing that. Okay. Well then. So Grayson, tell the channel something about yourself besides that you broke your spine. Wait, don't say that.
Oh, okay. You have no idea how old I am. Wait, I don't know. I was just gonna start listing like my age and where I live and
Don't say that. Okay, not your age, not where you live. Something not dangerous.
something not dangerous.
Yeah.
Like I play tennis.
Yes, he plays tennis. Anything else, or is that all?
That's about it.
This is so awkward.
Someone was making cookies on the internet awkward.
I don't know. Now. Oh. Well then. I think it's telling us we're done. Now, we each get a bite of the dough. Ready?
Oh, you okay?
A toast. What is that?
Oh, flour. That's good.
I just washed my hands, which you should do because we're in quarantine. And it's the first time I've seen Grayson in, well, I've seen him twice in 60 days. Yeah, twice in 60 days, so sometimes it's gotta be like that. You make them like super, super big. How are they looking?
Good. Like balls of dough.
I'm so thirsty now. I should have gotten some water before I...
I see what you mean.
I thought you were gonna like feed it to me.
I thought you just like needed water.
I do. I'm thirsty.
I mean, I can try.
Put a straw in it.
Put a straw in
There's straws in that drawer. Thanks. We could perform surgery together at this point. If you break your spine again, I'll be there to fix it. How many people are in their family? 7?
Who?
We're bringing cookies to our friends.
Oh,
7. And then 4.
Chicken burger things,
I love those!
like some extra options that weren't.
Grayson, you should show the vlog. Kale and mozzarella chicken burgers from Costco are so good.
I'm just confused why it's like chicken burger.
Because it's in the
But-
shape of a hamburger.
Let's do a fun fact about you.
Okay.
Although, I think there's 50 of them, right?
Yeah, if y'all want to go watch my 50 Facts About Me video, it's the first video I ever uploaded publicly onto YouTube. Go
Oh,
watch
they're all
it.
right here.
Link in the description. What genre do we want this fun fact to be?
Genre?
Yeah, like what kind of fun fact?
Fun one. This is gonna be a fun fact.
A fun fact?
Yeah, a fun fact.
Okay, what's a fun fact?
A fun fact. It's a fun fact.
Okay, what's a fun fact?
Ping pong ball. Ping, ping. The ping pong. The a ping pong. Pong.
We're recording. You want to say hi to the vlog?
Oh, hello vlog.
Hi.
Grayson's asking me fun facts.
Nice.
Fun, you know what a fun
Not
fact?
just fun facts.
Fun
Fun
facts. Okay, go ahead.
Fun fact. What is your favorite TV show?
My favorite TV show right now?
Like, no, like when you were growing up.
Well, what about right now?
Or right now.
Wizards of Waverly Place. I've been watching it on Disney Plus.
That's the one I was gonna say, even like growing up. I was still gonna say that one.
That was the one.
Yeah.
It was and it always will be my favorite show. What's your favorite show? Wizards of Waverly. Want to watch Wizards of Waverly Place with me later?
Yeah.
Okay. We're going to our friend's house. Well, not like their house, but like their driveway.
Social distancing.
Yeah. How's your quarantine? Comment down below. Hey, do you want to lick any of these spoons?
Yeah.
So here are the cookies. We have here 9 plus 9 is 18. I said 17. We have here 18 cookies. So we're gonna cook them now. And we're gonna bake these for 11 minutes, I think. The cookies are...
In the oven.
Grayson, are you hungry? Leftover pizza.
Are you hungry?
I'm okay, thank you.
Or the-
Actually, no.
Okay, so we're switching it because they both wouldn't fit on the one. Wait, those look kind of done though, right?
Close, yeah.
Okay. We wrapped our cookies. We're going to our friend's house now. I'm vlogging.
Hey.
We left at 4:30 and now we're back. It is 8 o'clock now. I'm very hungry. We're gonna go eat some food.